Matt and Auntie at Port Lock, and we're currently hoping to sell 804 Buoy Court there in Callaway, Florida. The house is kind of nestled in against the bay, just north of Tyndall, so it's quite secluded. It's just about as far out of the city as you can get, with while still being in the city. So we like that.
We were growing our family, and we needed a bigger home, but we wanted to be where the kids could grow up and not be in traffic. Like they could go outside and play and run around and ride their bikes. So we wanted someplace that was more secluded, but still close enough to everything. So Laird Point was the perfect gated community for us.
And it's on a cul-de-sac, so it's just the freedom to get out there and play and do, you know, we have 3 boys, so do what boys do, go out and play, right?
The space.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, everybody just loved the space that there was outside, inside. The neighborhood, they always felt safe and secure being there, even letting their kids, you know, run around and have fun.
If you wanted to go visit the pickleball and basketball courts, you know, you'd run down to the court and go play around, and then really just I guess the location for me was just more so it's out of the way, but still being able to just drive 20 minutes and be at my job. So to be that far, to feel that far secluded and that amount of privacy that you have, and still make it to your workplace in 20 minutes, I think that's rare, right?
And I mean, our kids went to Tyndall Elementary on the base, so it was an easy. Matt dropped them off to work. It was a 20-minute drive to go pick them up, bring them home.
Just being so close to the base, I could run and get something from the pharmacy if I needed to, or the commissary for food. And then of course we had the local, you know, grocery stores and restaurants and things like that right there, 10 minutes away.
I liked that all the kids' bedrooms were together, but close enough to the master, because I was pregnant when we moved into the house. So it was close enough that I could go to the baby, but far enough that we were secluded.
I'd say the layout's pretty advantageous for anyone looking to flex space. For instance, we turned the breakfast nook, because it was quite large, into our dining room, and we turned the formal dining room into a playroom for the kids. Yeah. So there was some options for us that we liked about the house that kind of sold it to us a little bit. A lot of the relaxation and the moments in relaxation that we liked, whether it was just a walk outside and just watch the sunset because there's no real light pollution out there, or the night sky. If there was some neat things to see at night, we'd take our son's telescope and we'd go watch the sky because we could.
The kids got to see the northern lights for the first time right out of our front yard, so that was neat.
There's no lights to really impede that. So beautiful, beautiful scene.
For Laird Point, I would say laid back, because you have the bay, so you got a lot of people that would like to go out on their paddle boats or kayaks. Yeah, dolphins come into the bay right there, so that's cool to see. There's an RV and boat storage there too that's really neat, that it's right there and accessible to the residents that live there.
And living by the water, I mean, who doesn't own an RV or a boat most of the time? But
yeah. Baking with the kids. I love to bake. So the kitchen was the center of our home. Anytime we had gatherings or friends over, everybody was sitting in the dining room conversing with me, you know, cooking or baking. And it was just a good time having everybody over, spending holidays in that house. Because Christmas is my favorite holiday, and I would go all out for Christmas. So seeing the kids, you know, do that. But even just everyday life, my oldest kicking the soccer ball around, the other 2 running around, kids taking their first steps in that house.
Yeah, I think with all good books, chapters close, books close, and that was kind of the end of our chapter there. And so not making memories there obviously is kind of a thing that we think about, but it's hard to nail that one down because there's so much to love with the property and making those memories.
Family that wants to have the room for their kids to grow. Somebody that likes to be outdoors, but also likes to have that space inside that they can see their kids, you know, grow up, make those memories, take those pictures in front of the front door like we did, you know, first day of school, first job. We got a lot of memories in that house. And that's what I want more than anything, is somebody that will fill that house with more memories.